Neil Dundus runs Dundus in Seaside, Oregon. His crab dip is why people stop there. Full stop. He gave me the recipe. Let's bring it home. We're making our take on Dundus crab dip. Neil builds his with cream cheese and Asiago cheese, a classic combination, and it's earned every bit of that reputation. We're bringing the smokehouse to it. Cold smoked Parmigiano Reggiano. Hey, if you've never cold smoked cheese, I've got a short you can watch here. About 2 minutes of your time. It's well worth it to watch before going farther. Marinated artichokes, shaved sweet onion, and a Traeger underneath all of it. Same soul, our craft. That's the whole point of this series. Putting your stamp on a dish you respect. This is where we start. Artichoke hearts. Drain them well. Even marinated, you don't want extra liquid thinning out the dip. Large chunks. Think about the bite. Shave your onion. Mince your parsley until it almost disappears. Super fine. Large bowl. Add your mayonnaise. Smoked Parmigiano. Shaved onion. Artichoke hearts. Parsley. Fold it. Don't beat it. We're not making a soup. Now, the crab goes in last. Gently. This is its stage. You want whole flakes of Dungeness throughout. Fold just until it's incorporated. Stop right there. Cover and put in the fridge. You want to allow this to chill for at least a couple hours to get the flavors to develop. Longer is better. Overnight is great. Matter of fact, you could leave it a couple days before you'd want to make sure and bake it off. When you're ready to bake, set up the Traeger at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat it. A regular oven works. You just won't get the wood smoke underneath everything. This Traeger adds a layer. We're going into my Griswold number 3. Antique cast iron, perfect size for this dip. Even layer. Into the Traeger she goes. 20 to 25 minutes. You're watching for 2 things. Golden top, bubbling edge. The bubbles tell you the cheese is happy. Pull it. 5 minutes rest. Don't rush it. The texture sets up and the flavors pull together. While it rests, focaccia toast. Slice, brush with olive oil, little coarse salt. Grill or oven. Golden at the edge, still chewy in the middle. This focaccia holds up really nice. Creamy. I can smell the cheese. I can smell the crab. I can see the crab. Artichokes. Oh my gosh, this is the best. A little salty. Just a touch of herbs you can taste from the artichoke, but not enough to cover up the cheese nor the crab. So good. And that smoked Parmigiano Reggiano. This is Dundus 2.0. Neil, I want to thank you for putting your trust in me. And if you're on the Oregon coast, make sure you swing by Dundus. They've earned their place on the coast. If you're going to make this or another version of a crab dip, leave me your comments below. I read every one of them. Next week, our Father's Day episode, where we're going to do a smoked ribeye steak and eggs. Like and subscribe. Later, Gator.